Hey guys, here's a screencast for Wednesday the 14th in Uslc. Today we started class by watching video announcements from Mr. Clark. We then moved to the grammar assignment for this week, which was grammar number 6. If you didn't get that submitted, then go ahead and get that submitted if you want some partial points for that. Next week's grammar assignment is already posted for you. And then beyond that, we talked about Walt Whitman today. We did an author card and then walked through his poetry. At the end of class, I shared with you guys this document here, which is his Chanting the Square Deific. It's kind of an all-inclusive look at religion that Whitman posted kind of as a closing document, but we really looked at 5 or 6 of his poems and some of the style and themes that were present in most everything he wrote. Sorry you missed us today. Hopefully you can get to Dickinson for tomorrow. Take care.